When generating an Esri map in App Studio, by default you get a set of map widgets on the map output. When you run an Esri map, the default map widgets include a table of contents widget, a selection tools widget, and a change base map widget. Instead of using the default widgets, you can add controls to the HTML page and invoke IbComposer functions to perform the following map menu functions. Toggle a layer's visibility, toggle heat map visibility, toggle clustering, make selections either by shape or distance, clear a subset of selections or all selections, change the base map. You can prevent the default widgets from displaying on the map by changing Show Map Widgets to No on the Properties panel for the Esri component. We will add button controls to the HTML page. First, we will add a button that changes the base map. On the Properties panel, click the Events button on the menu bar, and add the OnClick event. Note that other types of controls are available, and you can use any JavaScript syntax that you know to implement selections from those controls. That type of syntax is beyond the scope of this video. This adds the button1onClick function to the Embedded JavaScript tab. Add the function call that changes the base map, IbComposer change base map. It takes as parameters the map ID from the Properties panel of the Esri component, in this case EMFObject1, and a base map name. Run the map, and click the button to change the base map. Next, we will add buttons for selecting points using a polygon, clearing some of those selected points, and clearing all of the selected points. The IbComposer select layer by shape function takes the map ID, layer ID, and shape you want to use. The IbComposer clear selected and IbComposer clear all selection take the map ID and layer ID as parameters. Run the HTML page. To select points, click the Selection by Polygon button, and then click at each vertex of the polygon. Double-click when you are done. To clear a subset of the selected points, click the Clear Selected button, and then drag the mouse over the points you want to clear. To clear all of the selected points, click the Clear All button. To enable clustering, create a button with the IbComposer toggle cluster function invoked by its onClick event. This function takes as parameters the map ID, layer ID, and an array of cluster options. The options specify the minimum number of points for each cluster, the maximum number of points for each cluster, the size and color of each cluster, and the color and thickness of the cluster outline. Run the HTML page. Click the Toggle Clustering button. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.